Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's another week and I didn't bore y'all with the glue up, but I'm down to the part where I'm about to finish sanding this thing. Guard's looking real nice. That opal G10, that's gonna make it pop. But before I finish it, I'm gonna go ahead and make a sheath. And it's gonna be a leather sheath, and we're gonna kind of design as we go. So y'all come along for that and we'll see what we come up with. And the reason I got that blade taped up like that, y'all, is because already with just the grind, it's razor sharp. So what we're doing here is this is some old veg tan that's too soft for a sheath. And it's kind of the last piece that I kind of faithfully marched through that stuff. We're gonna make this the welt. I'm gonna give myself plenty of room there. So it's gonna be a little bigger than what I need. I found out that these 10 snips work real good for the leather that we use. That's a big honking chunk of a knife here, guys. Like I said, we made this in here kind of for fighting. And believe it or not, even with a hidden tang, I wouldn't hesitate to process wood or any kind with it. These two little pieces right here are gonna be for right here, so that when you put the knife in, you'll have a little bit of extra room between the back of the sheath and that guard, so it's not looking all wonky whenever you put the sheath in. All right, guys, that's the welt right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get some other stuff cut out, and then we'll get right back with y'all. That's basically what we're gonna be looking like, guys. And I'm probably gonna do a little dyeing and a little tooling. I might bring y'all in for a little bit of the tooling, but the dyeing is kind of some boring stuff right there, you know. But we're making progress. The loop will be over, you know, like this for the belt loop. All right, y'all. Let's see what I got. All right, that's the back of the sheath, y'all. That's ready for dye. That's just the American flag, made in America type stuff, and JT, my initials. Hope y'all can see that. Made a little border with my hole punch. I seen something I want to try. See if I can find my little parts. My little parts and pieces here. Now, I should probably stop right there, but you know, I got this little old star pattern right here that I like a lot. What'll I do with you? Guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and leave it like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and dye it. I won't bore y'all with all them details. There she is, y'all. See that opal G10? That shit just popped, bro. Okay, she'll get a final polish, and like I said, it's razor sharp just from the grind. I didn't put an edge on that sucker yet, you know. Alright, y'all, appreciate y'all coming along for this one. That sheath, yeah, it was a pain in the ass from the word go. It's not even, I just dyed it and dumped a whole bottle of leather down it. Yeah. Alright, man, we'll see y'all on the next one.